Today being the very first day of our vocal boot camp, we'll be dealing with the vocal system. The vocal system. How does the singing mechanism work in the human body? You get just like every instrument, like the violin, the guitar, your trumpet, your saxophone, has its own parts with which sounds are made. Also is the human body. Are parts of the body that help us make sound, whether speech or singing. So there are three main parts of the human body that helps us to make sound or to sing. Number one is the diaphragm. Number two, we have the vocal cords. And number three, we have the resonance. Number one, the diaphragm. Number two, the vocal cords. And number three, the resonance. Okay. The diaphragm. I will try as much as possible to break everything down so that it will be easy for everyone to understand. You get? Okay. Under our lungs, we have the muzzle. The diaphragm is like a muzzle, just like a bowl turned upside down, just like a balloon that helps us to take in air to produce sound. So, if you want to produce sound very well or accurately, as a pro singer, you need to learn how to breathe with your diaphragm. You get? Okay? So the muzzle that takes in air just like a balloon, and when you want to sing, it releases air through the vocal cord, then sound is produced. Then number two, we have vocal cord. What are the vocal cords? They are just like the reed. They are like bands here that vibrates when air is pushed from the diaphragm through the throat. Do you understand? So they vibrate. What is the purpose of that vibration? Is to produce sound. Just like the reed vibrates in saxophone to produce sound, or the violin string needs to vibrate for sound to be produced. Do you understand me? So the vocal cord vibrates to produce sound, whether speech or singing. So it is very important as a singer to know this. And then number three, we have the resonance. Okay, resonance, or will I say in bracket resonators, they are parts of an instrument, or will I say as a human body, that helps to increase the sound made by the vocal cord. Part of our body that helps to increase the sound made by the vocal cord. Remember, the diaphragm pushes the air up when you are singing or speaking. Then the vocal cord vibrates to create the sound. But the resonance or the resonators, they increase the sound produced by the vocal cord. You get? Just like if you walk into an empty room, you just make a little sound and then it amplifies. So the head, the mouth, the nasal passage helps to amplify the sound that the vocal cord makes. Do we understand? Okay, that is it. So what are the exercises that we need to help us breathe well as pro singers? Breathing with the diaphragm, because normally most people don't want to breathe in. They will breathe in raising their chest. No, that's a very wrong way to breathe as a singer. When you breathe in, you feel your belly expand, you get? And then you exhale with your mouth. You breathe in through your nose, your belly expands, and then you exhale with your mouth. Okay. Breathing exercise for the diaphragm is what we call the 4-4-8 count breathing exercise, which means you breathe in for 4 counts, you hold for 4 counts, and then you exhale for 8 counts. You understand? So if you should go like this, let's say 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So just watch what I'm going to do. Breathe in, hold, exhale. Note, your belly should expand, the diaphragm should expand and contrast, not your chest moving up while breathing. It helps to exercise your diaphragm for better breath control while singing. And then you could practice taking in air and releasing it gradually through your mouth. These are one of the exercises. You can check some of my videos on YouTube. You will see some exercises that you need to strengthen your diaphragmatic breathing. Number 2 exercise to help your vocal cord, and it's called humming. You can hum. If you hum very well, you will observe that there's a kind of vibration somewhere here. So that's the vocal cord, like this. Okay, you get it? So it helps to relax the vocal cord for performance. And then the last exercise for the resonance to help you navigate between chest and your head voice. You get the parts of your body that resonates, that amplifies your voice. You get. So you can go like this. So if you observe very well, when you do there's a vibration within your chest. You get? And then the sound travels from your chest to your head. So you'll be doing the kind of siren exercise to help you navigate freely between your chest and your head voice. Remember, these parts are the part that amplifies your sound. So the more you do such practices, you can naturally, easily flow while singing.